Vultr Hosting Review. Pricing explained: what you get for your money. Vultr Hosting isn't your average web host. You won't believe the flexibility it offers. Most people get this wrong by assuming hosting is a fixed monthly fee for a shared server. The surprising truth is Vultr provides cloud-based infrastructure with scalable compute instances, block storage, and global data centers, giving you precise control over resources. Pricing depends on the instance type and usage. Basic cloud compute plans start at per month for one CPU and OGBRAM, while more advanced setups with multiple CPUs, high memory, and storage can cost monthly. You won't believe the on-demand billing. You only pay for what you use, which is ideal for startups or fluctuating traffic. Additional options like dedicated instances, load balancers, and backups may add monthly, giving you enterprise-level performance at a fraction of traditional costs. Most people get this wrong by comparing only base pricing. The real value comes from scalability, reliability, and global reach. For example, Vultr's 17 data center locations let you deploy servers close to users, reducing latency and improving site performance. Combined with hourly billing, it's a cost-effective solution for businesses of all sizes. In conclusion, Vultr hosting pricing is transparent and flexible. By understanding instance types, optional services, and billing models, you go from zero to pro in evaluating whether it's the right hosting solution for your needs. It's more than hosting, it's cloud control at your fingertips.